Everybody, welcome back to None the Wiser. My name is Brent, and if you're watching this, you've been following my journey through the South College competency-based education doctoral of business program. I've been pretty optimistic. I'm in the 5th class now, and I've kind of hit a wall, right? The grading timing coming back is, I would say, minimum 3 days. Waiting sometimes longer, sometimes maybe within this 72-hour mark. However, I'm just kind of waiting more than I'm doing work. And the reason why is I could work ahead. Very well could. But I'm an educator as well. And I taught school. I've written curriculum. I've ran programs. I built partial online school for an engineering institute. And the one thing that I found is that if you work too far ahead without getting the results of the grading back, that means you're kind of working blindly. And if you don't have the steer from the feedback from an instructor, then you could be redoing the work that you've already done, which means you've just lost the time. And that's productivity that you're really never going to get back, because the commodity that we can never get back is time. So that kind of puts me in a very interesting situation that I'm still very optimistic about the program. They've been up front. They told me it's going to be 48 hours. Then they sent us a notice saying we're locking down all of the assignments so you can't actually turn anything ahead. But you can work ahead if you really want, but we're extending the grading times to 72 hours. I'm trying to get out of my own head here. I'm just being completely honest, and I have a few hundred people that are following this particular journey. But these videos are going to get thousands and thousands of views because it's an attractive program. And I think people deserve to at least understand one perspective as someone going through the program. Now, I'm not being negative and I'm not downtroding the program. I'm just voicing some of the concerns because we actually don't have an online support community other than Facebook for the program too. It is online, mostly adult professionals like myself with families, with full careers. We have a lot of life experience. We understand life in general. So this program, I don't know what the median age is or the median age. I mean, for all I know, it could be 40. For all I know, it could be 25. But you're not dealing with 18-year-olds. You're not dealing with 22-year-olds. You're dealing with maybe late 20s, early 30s, or in my case, I'm in my 40s. So, and then I know that there are people in their 50s too. So we understand life. We understand the guardrails for which we need to keep the vehicle in. Like I said, I'm keeping it real. I'm not downtroding. I'm not being negative. I'm just sharing some of my thoughts. There are many, many, many people that feel the opposite. And there are many, many, many people that feel really frustrated. I've had a lot of people reach out to me, looking for help, like I'm the school. And what I just tell people is continue to work, keep the faith. And that's what I'm telling myself. That's what I tell my children. That's what I tell my people at work, right? Just keep the faith. Everything's going to be fine. And that's what I'm doing. The work, it's not hard, right? Write a few assignments, do some research papers and stuff like that. It's no big deal, especially if you've been doing it for more than 20 years. It's pretty much second nature. So you understand really the process. And this would be kind of like my 6th degree as well. So I'm no stranger. I'm like a serial student at this point. I went to trade school, engineering school, went to business school, did some advanced stuff there, and I've continued down the path. So I've experienced a lot of learning management platforms. I've built learning management platforms, and I thoroughly enjoy just learning. And that's the name of this channel, None the Wiser. And I like to take the Socratic method of asking a lot of questions. But I think the thirst for knowledge and understanding is paramount. So continue to learn on whatever avenues that you possibly can. And if they fit your lifestyle, then just just never stop learning. And that's the biggest thing. I will say, if you're looking into this program, this is not a negative review. This is just a personal perspective. You may feel differently. You may feel more optimistic. You may really like the time in between assignments if you can afford it. I'm paying for this personally, right? I don't have anyone to pay this for me. Corporations typically don't pay for doctorates, right? So every day is, there's a price tag associated with every single day that I'm in the program. And a competency based, if you want to accelerate that, then it helps the return on your investment, right? And in my case, I have 8 children. Yeah, I said that. That's 8 children. And the price tag that's associated every day with the tuition, that's a full meal or 2 meals for my family. And I'm not working 1, but 2 jobs to make sure that I can afford school. And I'm making that sacrifice because I feel that my children are worth it. I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing this because I feel that I want to set a good example. I want to create a future for my children. Unlike the past I had growing up, I didn't have much of anything growing up. And I want my children to have all that they ever need. And then they can excel, and I can set an example for things that they want. And that's the point. It's all about family. I hope that you all found that this was somewhat helpful. Sorry it's a little raw, a little unedited, not putting on much of a personality here. I'm just trying to make it through. If you have any questions, reach out. I'm happy to talk to you. Take care, everyone. Bye now.